Hi, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to download apps from App Store on your iPhone. On your home screen you want to find the blue icon with letter A, which is application icon of App Store. Now let's go to searching tab, and here in the searching bar you can type the name of the application that you want to download. Or alternatively, you can go to different sections such as Apps section and explore different sections at the top. So now when you find the application that you want to download, next to the application itself you will see Get button, or for paid applications, for applications that support purchases, you will see Price. And now let's press this Get button. Now it will ask you, maybe it will ask you to enter your Apple account password. Let me quickly do it. Let's press Sign In button. And now it will ask you to confirm the download with your Face ID or with your Touch ID. Now you will see that the application is downloading. Wait until it's downloaded. And finally you can open it. Additionally, you will find it on your home screen. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.